watch all those videos again. I understand how you feel. Sorry, yeah? Sorry, calm down. Sorry.
This one are the same woman where he come out and he husband and say, get inside. He say, la la. You know, oh, every okwo wukamudime. Every okwo wukamuge. A platform ni ete jaoji go rezigo ni endi na bekudori. Ah! Enwata. Say no to your wife. Say no to boroboro yagbe. AKA. AKA yellow the muse what did he? The remaining AKA all of the wrong living. I well. Yeah, well, let's see. I AKA yana one day. Yellow the muse what I shall your share. Odigie the enemy. The yellow boroboro. The nyan we one of Budo. Yana one let's see. Yeah, a room of him a little one, let's see. Absolutely don't say kefi. Yana let's why. Who will get away? AKA yellow the muse worldwide. Who want serious cutter? Where about all the volume? Where you did the shots? Where are all the volume? How you do them? How you do the volume pass? What are double tap and scream as they turn and so? Or why double tap? What get what boom? What get boom? What the fuck, DK? Why you not drag the follow body? They don't leave you, madam. You never see anything. You just the play. Just the play. You are going to learn it the Higgy Haga way. You will learn it the hard way. I will play all your body without no mercy. I tell you, till I say. Solomon and my brother, by this time, you were rather you the grace, which be killed. If you want, say the girl we bought for my brother, and then if fear feeling you won't face the qua. My own brother, they tell you, when the girl want begin the whole, you know, Uri, 2078, I could feel here, 2014. I feel here 15. I feel here le kwa. Kien kide no mo yaro we bia na feel here yakwa. We want more the marriage. Picking on the whole marriage. Let's say picking the whole marriage because you're the single mother with the full year. They bought 4 boys. Never you want to come among 4 boys for you. The 4 boys they not get papa. 4 boys, 4 father. They not see get papa. Let's say picking where be boy the whole marriage. Nobody for the command for their marriage. So I tell you, solo don't wise pass you before solo come play your audio. May you know say it's ready to drag you. Anyhow you want it ready for you. Yes, woman will say stop and so not supposed to use blood, they blow the foresight. Mona disgrace them. Mona give the eye target disgrace. Oh, worry so that a legend. Yeah, legend. When they shall Francis General, the marshal go you yagbe because the shame and disgrace don't do. Oh, now he say elephants. Oh, yeah, bush. Oh, yeah, bash. I want you tell me, me do de ba. Are you crazy? No man make no man none of your boy to. God great time away. Oh, what make it? The might be yours. See, he was only one responsible for no one wrong. Exactly, back. Bagbe. Et le roi me vient à school. Ok, voilà, mon vie a do ya vient. Il vient il hot. Oh, de va voir vient mon que va dire wa. Il y a nous dans rigonia, nous supportien. Il y a né. On wa mi no wa de moto yo bo ure tenature aya. Wa is Eriyo ja. Wa bolo ja me on we aren't. Me on is we aren't one room. So for no give I get money. Who care what about the 50,000? The 50,000 or 100,000 what is your money? Oh, this is feeding money when move level. Ah, oh, no more on a be. When you no more than on a be. When you well level, do easy. Yeah, my beggar, I will gash your shoe, I will upshare. Yeah, I'm with Yakube. When you want bull no to Saganayan swine. Ah, Zua. Oh, not by the other bonus to say. It's trouble where. If you money came away, at least my way, then one no more carry, no more carry. Let the guy that they carry that they carry up one of the words in the way. The fact, Bola with Bivagbo. I'm making a wall. Oh, plenty of dear. Idiot human being. This is I know they know the truth, they know the fact. I don't use it to blog. They know the truth. They themselves get husband when they never feel drag come out for social media. Even as they drag their husband rich. You get more that fear and why that for me. When me and drag you have to be on drag that fear. You drag Ake o tag mana. Sana no da fin agbe de me live video ye de la wa. O da fin no, o da fin no. Wana na so social media na mana me ya. I mean nere wa. O we kevi wana hin. I mean nere o we ri agwalo mi wa. What are you talking? O we kevi for that matter. Oh, go me ma on we lagwa, we alagwa but me me guitar. Who want me go suzia? Agbada wa the worldwide topic of the year. A topic we no mo mas December. Ibagwa anya agwa la lo kere we ga feel me ma ya wala me di. Then when we na we just kakino be leather. We yera we je yama titi we lawa. Iju ma tita mo we lawa bi me. Shame and disgrace the mood now digba senye because he joue nya. Oh, master planner we. You're going to best low one making a move one here lady. No knowing that everyone man do tomato or bo wakewu. Yeah, what way je joue. Era na who joue. As we have been no be able to date. If I enjoy je. Sister, yellow no no gi. Yellow the yagbe lapo yagbe boroboro. Very dirty yellow. Yellow no gbinwe. Let me tell you. I will point it to you. If we are not even in the big way. And do cut on the men away. Then no go with much rather go with contract. May you have where you will tap black vision. Age will be at him. No such a bimerian. If one you want ya take one your I tell you, I only don't want me and company. I will maybe take a interest in here. But why would I get out of a time? No, talk when you talk over my talk your cough your cough. Cough your cough. If you can cough your cough, why can't come slow coffee cough for it? And so long you want coffee cough for it. So long, what baby? Oh, whatever said that voice to not go. Baby, oh. Because we are no more marriage in a lava. Oh, what we buy another, and I may buy or set in it or set to go. We go nowhere. We move. Who does that? Yes, I see what I see where I pass my neighbor generator. Yeah, bolo. Action. You give in because of a Venus start on your phone. Well, that try also I'm going when we are start heavy. Areva we go jay. Una listen. Also, you know say you get mental health condition. And your husband get mental. You forgot tell us your husband gets diabetes, hepatitis B, hepatitis C, hepatitis Z. You not get. Then your mouth don't got to tell us and say you yourself get mental. I don't know say she run for Yabatek. All the Yaba, you know, we buy you say no na me fian we she na le. Il joue, je m'attire là, j'ai 10 ans. Bad mother. Come on, get set and join your mother. Il joue n'a rien brabe 1 million. 1 million n'a brabe, je me wala. Wa we bedo aye ni wala go no wala togbo wa so for national pistol. Wa agbiki na wo lo. Wala nya money. Agwa pastor kaki wo bo onya money. Ora honwe do very palo. Ora honwe very zeke. Ora honwe very yokowa. Ora honwe very yoterodo. O makane. Wala nya money awa wala nya nyamegbe. Awa. Wa be no money karato money. Ogbin ane borije. Wa mi edene oh my god so lo you wo da bi no mo dan kele bie. Wa ga mi o karato yo kan ile mi ati ege. Wo diamond won mo akora ipe ni so. Owo diamond oni. Wa ga mi karato yo kan ni na go ro na go he. Wa gba we ije dza ogele bio. Eni ake money lawa erake mu lawa or get to very ya money ezene aho or ezene milikbo o kana ya money aka ya gbe evil hand evil I don't trust mother who had don't trust who no ga kana wofio. Just imagine the capabilities. Was there what to tell me my cat of you? Who never or we never or what bona body or so the wala to Mizado or Gadiva her or her for no even lawa. It cannot what or bona what back your way because I shouldn't money with no mama. Otherwise, it cannot walk with your pants or wash the pants. Well, of you. I don't know. Eri mayan ege kia ko fi akpiko. De gbo mo we no ma we do mo for what mo gyobo. We no bo we pastor we ni agai. So desperate why you Solomon le logo bokia. Yeah is a boy me jana jo go your might go dey. Ma beg any is up of him na. You know the double. Ipo wa bon, you know le any na be sure love you or na the guy na baba na pasia because me go le wala. You see me? I don't like wala. Na jo me ta like na ko pasia yiwa. Me na aje we me ado von with you. Are you okay? Me wa me stamina me wa meti. Me wa we martial arts me wa ko ari scholarship by omo. Where are me are there na Urupa. Are you crazy? Are you mad? Are you stupid or moria? Come on, get inside. It time and we fanambo shame and disgrace for yalawa. Mona listen. Mona they share this video for me. Double tap my screen. Mama there say rock. Why double tap any akpe no? The training now do love ho one. Mani gwa mu wa city ya rek by honorary.
Calm down. We're not a baby. You understand? So not to watch a negative video. You also any video where you talk negative, just pass. Please, for the sake of your health. That's what me I do too.
Ah, enjoy. Oh, because of your mother earth. Oh, we give a wash him, make your husband don't wash us again. But clearly, make bugo na da for he fake can't see me. Ye wagi no wagi waga. Always is like your body die. I will walk back and give walk back. Money working on what buwe. I am support we are checking body and robodo. Ya mami o dono ri yan juwa. That ya mi egbo wa Solomon wa mu ya be UK ni. Ah. Ija. I beg you. Mo live matter. Ya mi unza. That ya mi wa Solomon no mare yen. We are no varsity na. Ye ya mo kokobiri master mami. Ya who egbabo all the Nigeria men all the Benin boys ya wo ya se gbe ya bano egbe ya la lo egbe ya ona ihu owe good evening darling ona ihu owe we unia ayemi latest toto inta ona we ya mu we very easy ogwagwa lodo obi na ro egbe ne mama no mu awu se ayemi se ona ya bie ne ezingiri ayemi bie na ezingiri woman at ezigiri oibo ayemi ka ayemi unda ezigiri obiena just to get document in this country ona been ezibiri o ma ege bona ya we boya ge ona mu lawo bi amio amameri we gbebo ni akwo ihe post ya mu enu wa beg gbe na ayemi unda biena we sometimes we would tell una say make una beware from these people anything you believe on social media na your own risk and you know listen to them you are a failure anything you see look at the mirror, you become failure. You see people bring their mother to social media today. You see them how they become woefully fail. They become woefully fail because why? They don't see the type of people where they go meet. They'll go meet the wrong people where they say, people they come meet me. They'll say, Azola, Monica, and 1972, 1962, 1915, Wakabagbasha, where the lad, no Yara. When we are fake here, you hear. When we are drinking money, here's the nowhere. Oh, the parent. Oh, everyone was getting a woman in a house while we are mayor. The prepre. I bag me and shake the prepre. So that's it, Laoni. And you might was see, you know, or was see, or what fear, or tope. Are you crazy? Are you mad or something is wrong with you? I me one of them. Oh, one of them. But I didn't want to know me live video for information. Go and get prepared. Exactly where my father that's why. Who was not register? He got me idea to go to tell you register Saga because tomorrow they are going to beat you blue black. When we you that for one before you want to see it now in here near my man here because my man show me here so that you don't even here cannot provoke here. Me don't me provoke anybody. Talk your own, make I talk my own. That's what the matter want to end. I go to talk my own, I go to zolo my own for you. You got dig game, mega see. Yeah, we are talking here with them. I don't give a shit. Okay, thank you. Let's go to more pleasure. What to go begging in my husband, your wife.
Okay, calm down. You both will call because of our picking. You both will call.
He said, make the man calm down, be calming down because of our pikin. Be calming down. You know, say you born for them. You know, say because of your pikin. Why you not say calm down? Why you not carry upon 1 hour? Why you not force your papa size? Why you confess naked yourself before you go zolo? You come out to come no say hello. Say I've shipped your pants and the Ebola enter inside your pickles the time you were pregnant for somebody. Another person, Ebola enter your tutum. Where you wanna know you? You think you are wise. You know nothing. You are going to limbo. You are going to play. You gotta learn only in the hard way. This one in a difficult way. I am going to bulala you till further notice. I said they go call ask me where they know give you matter now. Any I will say it's why I want to do with social media. Iyagbe boroboro, iyagbe lapo, iyagbe oge, iyagbe de kia kofio, iyagbe de ave me bawo na yan le kwanenya. When I wa gona ya yan baga. And the meeting you are close, they go to be to shut down. You are going to more your cat it. Even more cat benoku or cat benokbia, more pano 2 in 1. A cat be racket or cat be joué. Eh? Cat or cat be just solo or have solo 3 or cat be in 1 3 1. I am going to join forces. All the elemental forces that is coming from all the in your wire and we read the 3 4 corner. Yeah, Raya. In my go home media for bringing shame and disgrace to this family. I'm going to flog you like never before. I'm going to beat you. Or to what you will get some see what we do. What would ya? What going saga? What making a wallow? I shall go away. Away and I shall wash unsha. It's time away. What black hole? Bomoje to leg belly beer. Am I here? Am I here? You have to test it. So that's why I tested. I wear a Burkina Faso was with a bay. When you come back, you know the value of husband who is giving you 500,000 and bought your car and build your house. You will not respect. You will learn to respect. Also, I want to go in why you're big. And when your feet away. I want to go who afraid that I thank you, darling. Why afraid? Rosie thanks. Why afraid that I go now? Why you're big? What a daddy? That's really right now. Why did you want to like daddy? Even what we have to carry in Nigeria. Enter out with sweater to mammy. Even what? Oh, we have to daddy. Daddy, where you did set me cackle. But you want your body of body here, what do you give? Anyone do it. What I mean, not do what you for this simple reason, I'm going to beat you blue back. Your body will peel. So that next time I want to do not you will respect them for who they are. A man, a dear be or winner. Oh, well, can give we no cannot be how you go give him. Who went allow? Who went allow? Who went allow? Now you're not saying you should calm down. You should not watch us again. You should not listen to us again. You should not listen to us again. Make you not listen to us again. He go listen. He me akbe no la. He me akbe no that's what listen. He me not listen. That's no me asi e kia in your belly. Eh what? Yeah, we bojo ya make sure we take back baby boy. I mean to oh no be eba no babeva. Egba. No we bi na yiva wa bi se. No we bi na we bi se. We ma sa jagbo go bejo. Ojibole. Oh Ojibole. Ole Ojibole. Oh jekia. Oh jekia. Ijagbe boro. Ijagbe boro. Uncomfortable wife. Uncomfortable wife. Try your way. Try your people. I think make your off your way. Yeah, Goli. Ojibole. Ajibole. Ole Ojibole. I go where you can't wait. I make sure. A matter when I make sure my parents are. I what I can do name with sister Ivie la o. They know where the matter now. He do have me away. Mo egbe no bera mo egbe no bije. Mo egbe no bera with them mo egbe no bije with them. Mo egbe no na la. He na drag you for breaking down my walls and myself webo. Me no who he already 255. Eya yore, it do who. Why the makeup will take a time here because we are for the work. When man share you when man blink to. Yeah, well, that wow. I will glitz what take me one year makeup. You want to take my view draw a diagram. A polish in your first coffee line, your first layer like. Me si una me via o do me garantie was doae de noade ave yare o za ko de gbabere ne me aka me wa be ba wa ya we won ya we face ne ya wa do ala lo e face no di o vi here de me ga wodi ne nia o gba pa do ta me me Nigeria bare we Nigeria de di ma ko tell me say I not try o ma go to go bitter I go beat him, push one. Am I won't be when we are young with a woman worry. If we are no one. What's the more? Bemona wait. Let me see this video. Jesus Christ. Oh, see confusion. Basically, where I say, carry. Oh yeah, where he put go that me go pack all of them from my house. He reached there. He said me he wash his hands. You know, say they lock the central water. He can't wash your hands. He can't leave the water. Blessed don't they not pump water. When they pump water, the water full everywhere. Now he can go lock her. Now the video that they sent for me. Well, what we are doing with Tori, don't not get anything to do with me. He said Shem was using charm for Papa Wala outing. Papa Wala I open. Yes, now. Solomon is still there for that. Yes. See, no, see, I don't know. I don't know what's at the work. I see. So some of them will be commenter. Make I tell no one to know. I greet you, Patrick. God bless you. You understand? You know what I don't know? Where they vex me for the matter. He said, I'm so disappointed in her. She rushed come social media. Who are house free. She not get sense. Oh, yeah, when I been share this. Mona double tap. No, double tap now. You go to come by self. Make I tell now. So many people now. Oh God. Because of it, your comment. You say so not see the Duduvaga that his ex-wife. Or if you know the Duduvaga his ex-wife, you want Duduvaga. Now you. So you want make it tight the bola. Or comment your miami. No, my home is free. Ero wa love no ye go say. Or marry no wa. Ona Yahweh France. San Francis. Wa ma gwa you na la so lolo die the name love. Why you not quarrel with San Francis? San Francis, you don't know some people will not get wife when you go to do Vaga Kiruwala. It's just vice versa. You cannot stop men from shitting. You cannot stop them from sleeping around. Who don't just want to do it, does not like it. Who like it, love it. There are some people that like it, but they don't love it. They can just do it once in a while. There are some people who are addicted to it. They are DNA to shit, to sleep around. You cannot stop them. And that is the fact. You can never stop them. Yes. You can never stop them. Because you're saying one side, the man they sleep, Why don't go sleep? Oh, they catch this name when they be kwa. Yo. Why did you go down and what can you figure you away? A Jenny when I had a word on. Yeah, we cavada. What's saying yagbe? I want to ask. I want to if woman she commit adultery for husband has what it be the man offense to marry a joint wife or to do vaga joint woman. I don't cut us anything, even though today I marry. I the talker. Joe. Because me and the person don't like sex to start with. So if I marry today, my husband say, because of that one, I don't tell anyone, I go even your beg and beg. Just go carry. So far use rubber. Umami rubber, the paper bag. Uma de Papa Bago. Una we are mugia better, maybe guy. Ah, mukia. So for me, I don't know when you look at me, make bar. He take by me, shows the visa. Ikba. You don't know that because where did the woman and then we made up bar. Eh, what you banner because of way? The banner so that me where I a dear baby golly I don't care. So say it the way it is. Man, it did their blood to shit. It did their blood, they both shit. They said, who don't like her, no love her. Who love her, no like her. It's two different things. Who like her might do it. Sometimes, since my wife not there, my say, who love her? Even though say wife there, so go take wife side they come. He go even travel with his girlfriend, go to holiday. What go there, but they won't try, I don't go no. Hello, what will film on answer no? Na real life experience. Life experience. But still, you go see respect the man. Una sis, okay, let's assume. May we use Mama Wala or Tetokan. When Papa Wala na don't already go to the Vaga, San Francis, even when Mama Wala even come no. Una hear say she crack on for social media one day. Not say not the ten on penna. He carry her husband enters. She carry her husband enters. Even the time where another one boss, where the bigger one boss between Papa Wala, Monica, and all that. You know, see Mama Wala. You see carry her husband enters. Oma dog baby bay. Uwe wiya mahonwa. Uwe woma talokwe wowa. O talokwe o. Beto ma baby bay. Ona yedi lawa. Iya eva yiruo wana. No kwa fadu wale lawa. Deno ya kodo ukhya. Salabare. O sabane ge fadwa sistani. O sabane ge fadwa momini. Yes so. Igbe o dego lelije agbole luwiku ke wa mi wo ke dumize de wiku. O le luwiku ke. Wa mi da fon e. E no no. Wa mi da fon e. O ke apa to kemu. Awo re na wa mi na. Tele. Shan. E Sandra re ebejo. Mami no tama wasi. Do mami ya tama we re bejo ro wicket. Wa wa la le ni no de wa de ko na je. Now Shan wa we so wona. Say Shan was using, he said, honestly speaking, Solo was really trying for that ungrateful Shan. If I may ask, what is Shan bringing to the table? Nothing, Ask if you ask me. Shan, they say, what do you they bring for table? Nothing. Yeah, as wife. Oh, comfortable wife. What are you bringing to the table? Nothing. If, like, the way they do something, your husband want to blood for you. When you want to, you want to clap the speech for everybody head. And you want to build one pancreas so that your mama they tell you say go yeah but go make an answer roll no we no me go. I will community share my hand do a whole go and market. When my work you don't just quickly sell and say my husband thank you. My husband thank you. I beg this I be don't go balance too. But we sell them. Put money generally to complete this one. Because you know you born man for her. Abi said everything. That has your picking and not there, your name not there for your information. Because that was your aim, that was your zeal, that was why you were so anxious to make sure. Say Solomon one Egbana Maya could boy Solomon Oga. He said thank you. God bless you. You knew yourself very well. Yes, I knew myself. This person, the right person, right this one. So you knew me. I know myself very well. I'm not good in bed. You go away here. I'm not happy because they don't use and train me. My basha what the man wa. No don't know ya. I don't say. No na abale kaju wae. You na abale na baleka. Abalo inside we. My basha wo. Iwa ye dey intact. So amaya mami. Try this video, guys.
Okay. Just let go, let it slide.
Yeah,
because of our son, okay?
Let her lie.
Yeah, before we go listening to Solomon record, maybe we'll analyze Shine Francis on. Now, Shine Francis, you know say you get mental health problem, and your husband, Mr. Solomon, get mental health problem. Now you can't bring una issues to social media. And when you forget, say any matter with all the social media, Then
now
they
who they
drag
call
am like personal
Emma drag
generator. And you know, say any matter wey enter media, if it lead to depression or to even mental health, join the mental health we don't forget and Solomon. No say now una cause problem una day by una self. And secondly, una see the way some women they use children or pikin take the time men down. Based on Shine Francis now, no say she don't born man, boy pikin for Solomon because Solomon never forget me child. Now Shine Francis fed born me child for her now. That is the logistic or the strategies she's using now to tie Solomon down.
No for use on Canada.
Or the name of way Abiene Bene or Moro. Now you forget say you already born for Solomon or Moro, but you were disgracing that man.
Yes.
Lydia.
Oh.
You disgrace the end of that man.
Okay.
Call him drunker and all kind of things. To even say the man not they try for you. Now you can say Omoro. You see the shame and disgrace when they put for yourself and your husband body. You come out, come beg on media. Your husband say no. He not agree. Then you still continue doing video to beg. Now you say because of Omoro. When you were doing all those things, you don't know Omoro. Those are the strategies some women they like to use for men. Men, be wise. Be wise. Like this Solomon own and Shine own. So Shine don't finish Solomon. Or the name of say don't born man begin or make Shine for Solomon. He ain't be Solomon fiakmon. The Solomon say go born Eriyo one yevi property and Odigie. So let's listen to Solomon.
So to embarrass me. You know what?
Zana Solomon replied.
We're not listening.
Why to embarrass it? Who embarrass it? Who embarrass me, you know? Because now the reason why I beg in social media.
Okay.
Oh, I don't really know. I know temptation. I know me temptation, you know. So I don't know the reason why. Now it's something that you know.
No, the year Shine husband say he don't know the reason why Shine can't go they beg for social media. Or pour everything way he don't do for Shine. He no reach Shine. He still go they beggy. Beggar. And here's what they told us. He said, nothing we never do for him. One of the list is saying a lie. If they say big lie. Talk about.
Quand le defense sont protest a stated, quand le BRF is going à un niveau, really pour passer. Yes, you move to say, it's the first.
You hear what Solomon they talk? He said, your wife, Shine Francis, don't fair come misbehave for media, can't disgrace him. Then he apologized. The family want to put in rest. Then Shine Francis come out again, come back on media. No matter how he talk to the girl, the woman, or your wife, she know here. For now to know say that woman not they respect that man, and you know they listen to anything when that man they talk. Now money, now she wants. Make we listen.
The family quarrel, not bad, which is very bad. You know?
He said all the family beggar, everybody beggar in can rest. He said, but she go back again to social media, go to beggy, mother beggar, beggy, uncomfortable as wife, beggar, you will remain. I beg you. Now so some of your colleagues beg, they can't buy treatments for them. Some beg, they buy us builders for them. Some beg, they go abroad. Shameless elements. Even those boys say they beg, so their husband not there abroad. Bet your whole day. All this one you fear lega. Eya yero lega. Also na beg a different frame me. Eso amwe carry. Eso we blockire. Eso we simetire. Eso we POP. Eso we fence. Eso we getire. Eri ya bologwa. We boni we like man na wo more na nyan magwa die. No ya iko no live. Other for where I beg you incorrect. Where to go carry you, which demon go carry you? Go social media, go to beg. Which food, which hungry? You they hungry.
Well, I think my son, you know. Because you know. So, still looking forward to it, you know.
Solo forget tomorrow no meme mudaji kakaka. No rieki we mami wa someone na no rieki da no se ana. No rieki awe o your mami wa someone na. No rieki da no se ana. Egro wichi be no jona woman na ona ogana mana wona oh eme be wa gwenye ori wa wu emoni ga ka gbe woye hu demo. Eyin na wa live life yan be na gwenye mangi jede yan ka meje. Yan wa afia na mele le yang magijere ya kaveje mave ya giteji hello solo mi eda mi omo o si ano momo ni ahia e ro pa we fiafia ma wo gbogbo egbe wa sheba gwalo mo na wa gbona iye wari hu ti akogwe e gnu hu ni ya hu na ya olugwe do back ya yo gbono were UK and we no we wa dey okay with do we wa mi we wa sala we do wa mi no ka be binu ni sala piko wa be mi o be very manager na abiye dodo me wa be mi ma mu abiye iya pati mu nu agbele ki ayo kin we wa agbele kodo yo agbele yin igbe worry emu of San Francis aka yellow nemose aka uncomfortable wife omo de marriage my dear brother iku ahin agbere iwa o ovi mo pa lanu na we ti de we ku ke eti yen le lu la to be carried away we moro ne ndomo sia yare to one room no ki agbo di 50,000 we calculate ya no in fact where the go ne na ya yigo ni we bo o wa to we wa golo wa di ade shop right to na kimi momo o no we no need wa de le ne o ko na we gbe mara evana our me first boss I we bo wa ya yo le first boss ro o a de lejo oro momo o si ya fun wa de to ya fi le kwayon ri ani bi ro pa be wo mo ni yare te won ro mu nenu ya gbe liki ai wodo ija gbe boroboro ija gbo jibole ija gbe ne ki akwo fi owe come and get this side ya ko oh shameless ya gbe come and see your shame and disgracefulness outside e ma go share Eriyo khoi for national peace today ya gbe no ho ija gbe no mi ti gwere ni ya wore gbe ozo nu ma come and get out yes, so she's forgotten that Solo did not marry her legally. Even in that week now, why better but so we don't marry legally. Even though he are with Solo or one more was divorce, one fidari, a daddy ni kama ujane. Pack her out like his son. Pack her out. Don't be afraid to pack her out. Pack her out. Yes, I mean, I shall fear Brizza for. I'm married with officially. Who are you officially? No, but traditional. Where back here, Madame, yes, Solo Noga.
You know, more than it's nothing I can do, you know. We family for your long something to take for money to you know. Well, whatever they are back, you know, one, we maybe don't, you know. The house is your house. The rules should not be, one man stay here. You go up, you go borrow, one fire, you know. We worry. No, it's not the rules we want, you know. Now be patient. You know, the fact we're really, I don't know about barrier competition. You know? I don't want to barrier competition. I say this is not how to go to it.
All that from where your man no your man in fact or we your man no feel like you work me. Your man no gerule. I don't know who you they look they run. Who know they pursue you, only you the run they go. Nobody they pursue you. The wicked run it when no man pursue it. Wicked wife. You are just running. Nobody pursue you. You just the run. You're the run. You better I want to go I'm not better. That's the way I can't let Oh, see, all the time, the colleague you were, all the time, my colleague, a colleague. Madame, you're here, my colleague, we are better when I send out a Belgium. Sandra, walk back by Jamie. Walk back by Jamie. Mother Belly on your way. Although you said no to water.
So you need to be coming down, Come back with you, but I forgot my work. And I have all these things, you know me. So I'm so shocked, believe you, I've tried to do my best for you.
Double tap my screen when I listen.
I don't tell you, it's negative remake, mommy. Why am I making all those things up? I'm a healthy, strong man.
Double tap.
I don't see any reason why after social with diabetes. You shouldn't be saying such things. It's not very wrong.
Oh, what that feeling with diabetes, Wahona? We don't get better first with social media. Eke diabetes, patata B. Oh, we don't do ya away. Abi egbena ye mia, you gonna ye mia me ya one. Oh, we don't get you. My sister, you go live. Mana zaga. Abule the boss, oh, Shy Francis, Odigie, don't go to hide, go to beg her husband for back. Don't go to hide the beggar. Don't go hide. They say, I beg you, I beg no. I beg my husband. I miss you, my husband. I beg no. Forgive me, oh. That devil walk, oh. You don't say I get mental health, oh. Now, so you got to going down with mental health condition. Now, so we see for a bullet today, what bullet cast. She they cry. Oh, you support that they cry. They say, hey, sorry, you're not a man. You bring out the audio. Why not go bring out audio? Why not go bring out? If you not bring out, no one to say don't go. They had a beggar. They tell them they beat your husband. Is it a plan work? Now plan work.
You are condemning me,
Condemn me.
So I'm saying, it's very, very bad. So I'm checking.
Double tap, now make this go up.
You call me a drunkard, which is very, very bad. What's the meaning of all this? Yeah, but it's a bit talk. They were in our the street,
Yara, the man say, we don't start that, but they insult their husband for streets. Do not go into house. What's it gonna make you carry on? Don't be saying you wanna fight for SARS. No, not fight, come out. What's it called concern you? You know the Nigeria with you. I did gross crow. I watch you gross crow. Then you did grow bini. Why you say so? Why na mighty been on the phone? One of the been on social media. We wouldn't my head. Sister, sorry. Ima wa lalo. One ugly matter one ya be the page on reno. Ima wa. Mawa lalo, me lalo. Aba fio boja wa lalo. Ma be lalo ma be fie gran me ba. Ba fie gran me yo. O mi we my because we mo ade media. O se wa ya tie boy gbema because na we mama say mata wa mwere. Data we mama so na wo wa bania. Wana ta wo wa we my gele so. Gbe we mwere nenia for eye weaknesses. We Tori wa bureo. Wa bureo eslo mona woti ehia agbo nyaga shema disgrace ni woti ehia ari ukpongo we social media gleglegele support shema disgrace aya tower apa no muhia wa ge jome keri age wa ge jome ga me do me keri age aworia yagba shawo.
So maybe there's something happening of temptation. You need a very serious prayer, because
so long we more altar of prayer ministry. So long we have where we need the deliverance with prayer. Prayer ba so long we akisago ne wezuka. We akoloku ne udo kisago keke omila keke zigizaga no gizaga lele here. No kaya de kaya kufio eni. Aya pe yakwa if not no. Oh we are ya kwegbo we you egbere. That is Ozeba with Muna. He's killing me, hey, he killing me, oh, Muna. So I am buying with berry. I buy. You know, they are not buying with berry, you know, they are. Because they do ya evolve away. Ora mache Ozeba, Ozeba. Iskele, ma heko, iskele. You want a bamba, you want a better, you want a yak to Hoshua, because, how old ya? Erigba, Margina, Mazagane, Erigba, Margina. Mazagane, Akpa with Jimmy manager, Tori Jimmy Abalian Swanine. Akwe wa free. You free, why you free from nothing more day? Ah, chai. Want a bumper? You want a bumper? Zeba. Igualani. But this time, me what motion when me wa me kiani we are so do a figure me. Eke a de wa making me we figure me would do. Ah, making a wall. Ozeba. What a baba? Ske. You want a ske? Ozeba. Iske. You want a baba? Make a bomb kia we are figure me. Why figure me for I love your boloka. No sense to boy. Let's listen to Solomon. Nonsense woman. Or more than marriage. When I'm more plan again from the beginning. When I see him. You know, yeah, I beg that for me.
All those things that they don't do now again online. And wish they forget, say, we don't already talk and say no to online beggars. So now, after all those things that they don't do, now, two of them don't settle again for the second time. Make una listen to the record when Shine Francis and Solomon they make settlement, because we won't analyze this record. Make we listen.
Don't watch all those negative videos again. Calm down, relax. Just calm down. Forget and fake deaf ear to her. Just the way me say how they do. And fake deaf ear completely to the video because of my health and because of your own health, okay? Now they watch all those videos again. Understand how you feel. Sorry, yeah? Sorry, calm down. We're not a baby. You understand? So now they watch a negative video. You also even know when you talk negative. Just pass. Please, for the sake of your health.
Hey, Eriyo. You said our video that negative video. Fire the Mati. You said our video that negative video. You are the learner.
That's what me I do too. Please, calm down, okay? Calm down. The ball will fall because of our picking. The ball will fall, okay? The ball will fall. Because the ball will fall. Just let go. Let it slide because of our son, okay?
Yeah, before we go listen to Solomon record.
This is the first time I'm see 3 enemies. See 3 enemies who does not agree in the same group. Who are the 3 enemies? Monica, Lola, and Africa Jama Queen are with Solomon. We stand for truth. My bullet, my supper. Chan is running Solomon Street. Good evening, Mommy Susan. Man of truth. So, go learn the hard way. Listen. This shit now, where they beat her husband for outside, don't go behind the bed. If I don't push her for Nyash. If that touch her, the thing is that who bring out this audio? National, we will never know that. Not bad, the baddest, bad a baba. Or more, like I don't hear. On a ciel, ah, What dog women if buy what do I in the war? Equal. Or do beg, or what begging, or because of your mental health. You tell the tell her say she get mental health, she agree.
And say no to online beggars. So now, after all those things they don't do, now 2 of them don't settle again for the second time. Make una listen to the record when Shine Francis and Solomon they make settlement, because we won't analyze this record. Make we listen.
Make una listen. We are not top put.
Don't do. Don't watch all those negative videos again. Calm down, relax. Just calm down. Forget and pay deaf ear to her. Just the way me safe I do. I pay deaf ear completely to the video because of my health and because of your own health. Okay. Now they watch all those videos again. I understand how you feel. Sorry, yeah? Sorry, calm down. Sorry, calm down. I'm not a baby. You understand? So now they watch all negative video. You also video you talk negative. Just pass. Please, for the sake of your health. That's what me I do too. Please, calm down, okay? Calm down. Your dog will call because of our picking. Your dog will call, okay? Your dog will call. Your dog will call. Just let go. Let it slide because of our son, okay?
Yeah, before we go listen to Solomon record, may we analyze Shine Francis on. Now, Shine Francis, you know say you get mental health problem, and your husband, Mr. Solomon, get mental health problem. Now you can't bring una issues to social media. And when you forget, say any matter with all the social media, that they drag on like a better pass my name generator. And you know say any matter where enter media, if you lead to depression or to even mental health, join the mental health we don't forget and Solomon. No say now on a cause problem one a day by on ourselves. And secondly, una see the way some women they use children or pikin take the time men down. Based on Shine Francis now, no say she don't born man, boy pikin for Solomon because Solomon never forget me shy. Now Shine Francis fed born me shy for her now. That is the logistic or the strategies she's using now to tie Solomon down. Or the name of way Abiene or Morone. Now you forget say you'd already born for Solomon or Morone, but you were disgracing that man on media. You disgrace the head of that man, call him drunker and all kind of things. To even say the man not they try for you. Now you can say or Morone. You see the shame and disgrace.
I'll dig back the
body. You come out, come beg on media. Your husband say no. You not agree, then you still continue doing video to beg. Now you say because of Omorone. When you were doing all those things, you don't know Omorone. Strategies some women they like to use for men.
Yes.
Be wise.
Be wise, oh.
Be wise.
Be wise.
Solomon own and Shine on. So Shine don't finish Solomon. All the name say don't born man begin or make Shine for Solomon. He be Solomon fiakmon. Ne Solomon said go born ye Eriyo one ye property. So let's listen to Solomon.
Talk to the embarrass me. You know what?
Then Solomon replied.
Let's see Oliver cargo, you know. Why to embarrass it? Embarrass me, you know. Because my really is I beg me to something.
Okay.
Oh, I don't really know. I know temptation. I know the temptation, you know. So I don't know the reason why. Not something wow. Quand le diffère son projet, ça a été mal et puis arrive Facebook, il y a un niveau. Oui, passé. Là, je trouve que c'est fausse.
You hear what Solomon they talk? He said, your wife, Shine Francis, don't fair come misbehave for me, they can't disgrace him. Then he apologized, the family even talk, put in rest. Then Shine Francis come out again, come back on media. No matter how he talk to the girl, the woman, or your wife, she know here. For them to know say that woman not they respect that man, and you know they listen to anything with that man they talk. Now money, now she wants.
Yes. Money.
Which is very bad. You know, but I'm still looking up to my son. You know, because looking forward to it, you know. And I'm more on there's nothing I can do, you know. Even family
oh,
yeah. To take it from where to way, you know. Well, everything about in one it's in one we maybe know, you know. A house is your house. The rules you know, one mistake here. People, you know. What is all the Lord about? You know? I don't be patient. You know, the people will relate I don't know about barrier competition. You know? And I know about competition. Don't say this is one hour of Odigie. You know. So you need to be calming down, you know. Because that way, you know, for one all these things you know me, you know. So I'm so shocked, you know, behavior, you know. I've tried to do my best for you. Help boy to suffer.
No, the year matter.
I don't know, I look at this negative women for me. Who are with me? Why am I making all those things up?
No.
I'm a healthy, strong man, you know. But I don't see any reason why after a social in diabetes. You shouldn't be saying such things.
No.
You are condemning me, you know. So what I'm saying, it's very, very bad. So I'm checking I go social media. Don't know why this days you can more beginning. You call me a drunkard, which is very, very bad. So what's up? What is the meaning of all this? Now making it's a bit talk. They want to know on the street, we lava. You know? Just take away maybe there's something happening of temptation. You need a very serious prayer, you know. Because you know, you need serious prayer, I'm telling you. You know, I'm trying to worry about on it. You know, it's a man here, free entertainment. Maybe I'm worried if I have to worry. But we'll try entertainment.
Kaje. Osawese o abule vetue o. Meta. Me mata mugwa. Ige no ne sha jagbe boroboroji. Ige set sin agena. Me mata mugwa. Oya doji nyo ta fovieke. No me kana ti mi ego ya bogwafo.